So here again, very similar type of instance. You should be able to do these examples without using your calculator. So let's have a look. Find the sine, cosine, and tangent given the terminal ray of angle t that passes through negative 4 fifths, comma negative 3 fifths, which is a point on the unit circle. Now you could have figured out if it was a point on the unit circle or not. However, that being the case makes this a heck of a lot easier because if it's on a unit circle, I know that the x coordinate has to be the cosine of t, and the y coordinate has to be the sine of t. So I could say these two things right away. As far as the tangent goes, well, the tangent of t is going to be, I can look at it as either being the sine over the cosine, or I can look at it as being the y over the x coordinate. So in either case, I'm going to be doing negative 3 fifths over negative 4 fifths, which when I do all the simplification, negatives would cancel, the denominators of 5 would cancel. I'm left with 3 fourths. So that one's pretty easy if you're paying attention to what's going on in the problem. I could also have handled example 9 as I'm going to be handling example 10 here. So what we have here is a terminal ray passing through 4, negative 5. So I know my x coordinate is 4, I know my y coordinate is negative 5, and I had to calculate what my radius of rotation is r. That's the square root of 41. I'm going to leave it like that. So the sine of t is going to be y over r. So negative 5 over the square root of 41, which would get rationalized. And if you left it as negative 5 over the square root of 41 for me, or for web work, it won't matter. That's fine by me. Just be aware if you're looking up an answer in a textbook that they would go that extra step and rationalize the denominator. Cosine of t, which would be x over r, so 4 over the square root of 41. Again, they would rationalize that denominator, in most textbooks. So, and the tangent would be y over x, so negative 5 over 4, and that's it. So these instances here, I don't need to know what the angle t is.